Mr. Wright here, and thank you very much to the person who sent in this question. If you'd like me to tackle a question, then email it to me. My email address is in the description of this film, or add it to the comments on this film, and of course I will upload my solution. Now in this question, we have got a curve and a line, and we're asked to show that the curve and the line have exactly one point of intersection. Do not use a graphical method. Okay, well, if this question was simply asking us to find the points of intersection of these two curves, or of this curve and this line, if I was simply being asked to find the points where the two crossed, then I would take my equations and I would solve them simultaneously. If we're being asked to show that there's only one point of intersection, then we'll take the curves and the curve and the line, we'll solve them simultaneously, and we'll show that there's only one solution, and that'll show that there's only one point where the two cross. So how am I going to solve these equations simultaneously? Well, I've got an expression for y here, so I'm going to substitute that into my first equation. So the first equation is y equals 4x squared plus 5x plus 3. So I'm going to say, instead of y equals, I'm going to say x plus 2 equals 4x squared plus 5x plus 3. And now I'm going to solve this equation to find x. Let's put everything on the right-hand side. So let's subtract x from both sides and subtract 2 from both sides. So now I'm only going to have 4x plus 1. So the quadratic equation I'm solving to find x is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Now, how to solve that equation? Well, you could use the formula, or you could look to factorize it. I'm going to look to factorize it, and I'm going to have a guess at 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. And now I look at that, I will get 4x squared. I will get 2x and 2x, that'll give me 4x, and I will get 1 at the end. So I factorized it correctly, and now I can see that there is only one solution to that quadratic equation, x equals a half. So in fact, I've already shown that there's only one point of intersection here, because there's only one x coordinate where the two cross. But if I wanted to find the coordinates of that point, then I could use the equation y equals x plus 2. I know that x is minus a half, so I know that y would be 1.5. So my point of intersection is the point minus a half, 1.5. But in this question here, because I'm asked to show that they only have one point of intersection, I might put an arrow here, and I might say, try again, shall I? I might put an arrow here, and I might say there is only one solution, so only one point of intersection. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next film. If you'd like me to tackle a question, then email it in.